AWS Mining has established a number of Bitcoin mining farms in countries such as China and Paraguay. Our company currently mines Bitcoin, Ethereum, Monero, Zcach, and Bitcoin Cash. AWS Mining is registered in Australia. Since May 2017, AWS Mining has provided a service which enables customers to acquire cryptocurrency mining power, which we call CMP. During your visit with us, you can participate in special trainings to learn about mining and cryptocurrency in general. The mining contract you receive from AWS Mining is called a profitability contract, which offers a return of 200% of the amount paid for the contract. So if as a customer you've paid the Bitcoin equivalent of $1,200, your contract will entitle you to mine until you've reached $2,400 in mining bonuses. As a customer, you can track your mining output in your virtual office. Mining payouts are processed daily and converted into US dollars in order to calculate the return of each profitability contract. Changes in the value of Bitcoin may affect the time required to mine sufficient Bitcoin to meet the contract obligations. As a result, a CMP contract duration is not static. Although each CMP contract operates on a different machine, a customer's mining bonus entitlement is calculated on the average of Bitcoin mined by all of the machines in the mining farm, which is calculated daily. AWS Mining charges a service fee to cover the cost of electricity, rent, employees, and other overhead charges. Contracts will automatically reach maturity and terminate once the US dollar value of the mining bonuses has reached a total of 200% or 2 times the amount paid for the contract. Customers can view all of this information online in their mining panel. Guests are permitted to enter the farm in groups of maximums of no more than 8 persons in order to tour the farm and see how everything works. We hope to see you in one of our mining farms around the world. Contact us at marketing@awsmining.com and reserve a day to come and visit one of our mining farms. And welcome to AWS Mining. We look forward to having you.